Hello investors, it's Marcia from Bookworm. I'm the creator and the founder of Bookworm. And I use Bookworm as a means to teach women who are nearing retirement or either in retirement how to build a profitable stock portfolio so that we can have some supplemental income while we're in retirement. And so I'm here today to talk to you about the stock nugget of the week. And it's going to be a little different this time. We're going to talk about a hypothetical situation. We're going to continue talking about earnings report and talk about how we can use earnings reports as we build our stock portfolio. And we're going to talk about one stock in particular, and that stock is going to be ROKU. But before we get started, disclaimer, I am not telling you to go out there and buy ROKU. When I do talk about stocks, it's for informational and educational purposes only. So if you decide that you want to go out there and buy some ROKU, do your research first before you invest in any company. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's talk about a hypothetical situation that we've done our stock analysis and we've made the decision that, okay, ROKU is a company that we want to invest in. We want to own a part of that company. And so let's say that decision was made back in August. And back in August, the price of one share of ROKU was at $129 a share. So we bought a couple of shares now in our portfolio. And between the time that we bought the stock and right before earnings report came out, that price of the stock, and I'm looking at my iPad, the price of the stock, look at the bottom number, had increased to $141.05. Nice, huh? Yes. So we made some profit, and then earnings report was released. And earnings report was released, I think, November the 6th. And the information that we got from the earnings report lets us know what the analysts' expectations were with regards to what they expected the revenues to be made, what the earnings per share was going to be. And so ROKU actually exceeded the expectation in revenues. With regards to earnings per share, it was a loss, but it was less of a loss than what the analysts had expected. So that was a thumbs up. But even with that information, what did the price of ROKU do? Now look at the top number. Price of ROKU dropped from $141 a share down to $119 a share. So what do we do with that information? How can we use that information with regards to building our stock portfolio? Now, we've already decided that ROKU was a stock that we wanted to build a position in our portfolio. And so we can take that information and we can use that information as an opportunity. And that opportunity could be to buy more shares of ROKU to add to our portfolio. And so the key point is this. As we're building our stock portfolio, as you are buying companies, know when your earnings report is going to come out. Know what the analysts say, well, we expect the revenues to be, what the earnings per share to be, and then look and see how that price of your stock responds to the information that you get from your earnings report. Yes? Okay. So that's the stock nugget for the week. And if you want help building your portfolio, my team and I will be happy to do that. You can book a strategy call with us, 45-minute strategy call, and we can talk about how to help you build your stock portfolio. So that's all. Oh, no. 2 more things. Earlier, before I started talking about ROKU, I mentioned doing a stock analysis before you buy. And so I'm going to be doing a webinar. It's going to be November the 22nd. It's a Friday. And we're going to be talking about 3 things to know about analyzing a stock before you buy it. So we'll talk about that. And the other thing is that I invested in a new platform to take appointments for my strategy call. The company is called Calendly. And so once you book a call, it's going to bring up a calendar, and you can book your appointment for the strategy call on the calendar. So that's going to be up and running this week also. So have a great rest of the week, and I hope that I will be speaking with you soon. Take care. Bye.